Here we have a disaster Xbox Series X game console that came in for a damaged HDMI connector. Customer attempted to replace the connector and we have 13 missing pads. Wow. Look at this. If I counted correctly, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 missing pads. We're going to work on this, but the customer is paying. And I mean the customer is paying. It's a lot of work. And I honestly promised myself anytime we get a game console with more than 5, 6 missing pads, I will not work on it so we do not waste time. Because the same amount of time it takes to fix this console with all those stripped pads, I could be doing 3, 4 other devices. So I'm going to try to talk less and do more in this video. Maybe I'll fast forward so the video does not end up being 30 minutes. And let's start. And now we're going to use pad strips number 2. And specifically those here. Let's grab maybe 5 at once, so I do not keep going back and forth. Let's leave this on the side. We can probably use it to restore stuff here on this side of the board. Here, why don't we do it now? Very good. So we used 1 pad strip to restore 2 pads. And I know a lot of you are waiting for me to sing. So today we're gonna sing. Are we there yet? Not yet. Are we there yet? Not yet. Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. And we're almost done. I have no hope, but we will see. Just let me be. Okay, are we good? All right, let's clean up. I'm gonna apply solder mask, and then we're gonna solder a new HDMI connector, and we'll see. Are we feeling lucky today? No, we're gonna mess up half the wires on here with the cleaning, but what can you do? I'm just gonna tap with the dry wipe over them. Just tap, press hard. Let's do it one more time. Okay, nice. So what do you see? Just let me be. I have no hope. This console will work. Oh, that's a good one. Now we're gonna grab our 10-watt UV light. Do not look at UV light. You can look at it on the screen, but I'm talking about myself. UV protection so we can save the world from complaints. Because we're gonna have scientists in the comments down below. Why aren't you wearing UV glasses? How come? What if? So just save the world from complaints. Okay, so I think we did an excellent job. We just want to make sure to fill the holes. Solid. And this pin is making a connection with the wire, and that's good. The pin is gonna move because it's not making a solid connection with a solid pad. It's making a connection with a loose wire that's connected to that trace. So as long as the pin is moving with the wire, or it's not moving, then that's good. This one is solid, this one is solid. It's moving with the wire, moving with the wire, moving, and it's moving with the pad under it. Solid, moving with the wire under it, moving with the wire. Very nice. And we're good. We're gonna reassemble and test, and I'll be back. We reassembled the Xbox. Let's go ahead and try it. We have the power cable plugged in. We have the HDMI cable plugged in, and all we have to do is power it on. And it's the power cable plugged in. And the power cable is not plugged in. Now, power it on. And right there. And that's it. The job is done. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video.